How to make Taurus man fall in love with Taurus woman. When a Taurus man meets a Taurus woman, the connection feels natural. Both value loyalty, comfort, and stability. Yet, even with matching signs, love needs nurturing. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you're wondering how to make a Taurus man fall in love with a Taurus woman, these 10 tips can help build a solid foundation for romance. 1. Be emotionally steady. Taurus men dislike drama. Stay calm, grounded, and emotionally consistent. Your stability will make him feel secure. 2. Take it slow. He doesn't rush into love. Let things unfold naturally. Avoid pushing for commitment too soon, he'll open up on his own timeline. 3. Create comfort. He values a peaceful environment. Whether it's a cozy home or a quiet date night, comfort is key to winning his heart. 4. Show loyalty. Trust is everything to a Taurus man. Be reliable and honest. Once he sees you're loyal, he'll start letting his guard down. 5. Appeal to his senses. Taurus men are sensual. Wear soft fabrics, cook delicious meals, and use a subtle fragrance. Little details matter. 6. Respect his routine. He finds joy in consistency. Respect his daily habits and routines, they're part of who he is. 7. Be self-sufficient. He admires independence. Show him you can take care of yourself and your life, and he'll see you as a true partner. 8. Communicate calmly. Avoid loud arguments or emotional outbursts. Speak clearly, honestly, and with respect. 9. Enjoy the finer things together. Taurus men love quality. Whether it's good food or a beautiful setting, share these indulgences to bond deeper. 10. Be physically affectionate. Touch is important to him. Hold hands, hug, and show affection gently and often. If you're seeking how to make a Taurus man fall in love with a Taurus woman, remember, patience, loyalty, and sensuality go a long way. Build slowly, stay consistent, and let the connection grow into something lasting. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.